Hey folks, I just wanted to do a short update video about jurisdiction and your standing in court. The courts, especially in the state and county level, they operate under the bar rules, and the bar rules are that there are presumptions made about each and every individual that goes in front of the court. The presumptions are terrible. They actually put you at an automatic disadvantage right in the beginning and allow the court to take jurisdiction over you, even though you may not consent to it. They automatically have jurisdiction if the presumptions stand. And even though it's unlawful, they do it because they're private courts, and they avoid accountability by maintaining these cases mostly in the private. Bar lawyers cannot represent you in these courts, or you're automatically presumed to be incompetent to handle your own affairs, which allows the attorney to covertly and secretly cost you the case in most cases. And there are things that happen behind the scenes that you're unaware of, in spite of the fact you may think you won a case in court. Rarely is that true. When it comes to the real money behind the scenes. These courts operate for profit. They look to make money, and it's not always disclosed to you how the money is made. They don't need to tell you if the 12 main presumptions of court are not offset and challenged. I'm not going to get into the 12 presumptions. You can find plenty of YouTube videos which explain each and every one of those main 12 presumptions of the court, and it is just critical that you offset those presumptions of court, because like in my case, the judges have never been given jurisdiction because of my standing as a natural man, and I asserted that and offset all of the main 12 presumptions of court. You must openly challenge jurisdiction as a natural person. You must state that you are not the legal fiction, which is the all capital version of your name. And if you don't, the court will conflate them and take jurisdiction over you. You have no chance if the court takes jurisdiction over you. You must challenge jurisdiction. And this is mostly when you're a defendant in a court case. As a defendant, you have rights unless you allow an attorney to squash them for you. I'm not giving legal advice. I'm telling you how it worked out for me personally. And I'm not telling you to go in and do all these things. I'm telling you to do a research so that if you learn what you need to learn, you can go in and challenge these things and possibly have a much better outcome for yourself. I'm going to get deeper into it later, but I just wanted to share that with you because my case is still at a standstill, because the judges have never had jurisdiction over me, the natural man. They have tried to conflate my corporate version with myself, the natural man, to take jurisdiction, but I've challenged it and not allowed it. And this case will be going on 2 years in the court this June. And it's been going on longer than that because there was a lot of correspondence back and forth between the bank and I prior to me challenging the mortgage, which I found out was done by fraud. So these cases are all stacked against you until you come in as the natural person, challenging jurisdiction and also challenging all of the 12 main presumptions of the Bar Association rules, which have hijacked and are in control of our court system. So please do your research. Please find out and verify what I'm telling you is the truth. And do not just take and run with this stuff, because I'm not giving legal advice here, okay? Take care, all of you, and God bless.